Iron Onmo presents the second part of our Bosnian Dictionary. This video will teach you a few words that you could use for small talk. Are you ready? What is your name?
Kako se zoveš?
My name is...
Ja se zovem.
How are you?
Kako si?
I'm fine.
Dobro sam.
I'm not fine.
Nisam dobro.
What time is it?
Koliko je sati?
I know it sounds hard, but keep trying. Stay tuned for our next episode. Ciao, ciao!